Yakulok.
Tiono.
Good. Appointed to in my taken Anawa, near Alexander Kiri, a district councillor, Melira Kato sub county. Borakan, Atiki Mateo Ball, Mateo district councillor, Melapon sub county. And the assistant RDC Agago, Ladit Maurice Uchana. Watero Kachoke, Ite Kato village, Mateo Kato sub county, Veru Kachoke community. Terato TPA got Lapon Kome. Mawanati Yakometi. Amira Wachu Kamaleng ni. Mera kwe lok nguna mawabir ka nano yamu pa mono internet makibir ka wajani don KPI got la pono dano don giriya mo gi o kipa tigi pa maro mo piara ngwen dongo ao mera mo kumbir ni ana TPI got la pono enni may nano ni era yo bir LC1 may riane wati kan ka chel ngati mo ke kan maw we ko pa ne pere lok nguna ma chal kit meno mo aki juara en o mero kwero ke odi poko lo ngam ken matika karo ke lo gopa eno ne pobe lo mati kai mero no ngej mati ko bekir lo mati der ye nama chimpa LC1 won commander o nyolo tela magen beru isab county ke district gena ye genge opien lo kakar waro beru Gimara to dok ben kelo miel ko mo chundano cha mero kwero lo mo ber kakar social media ne dano tika we ko pati mamegi magi tika riamogi eno ne pobe lo da. I would like to take this opportunity to refute the allegations and rumors, false informations and so on being circulated on social media that the people of Leragato sub-county in Kulodwong, in Tekato are being evicted or they are leaving their homes. That is not true. Right now, I am here with my people, the community of Leragato sub-county. I am with Assistant RDC. I am together with the District Council of Polapono sub-county. I represent Leragato sub-county. We have just finished community meeting. No one has left his or her home. Everybody is peaceful. Everyone is concentrating on their own businesses and nobody is being disturbed. I want to say that whoever wants to get information should get from the right source. Contact the local leaders, contact the district leaders. And when I saw the information on URN and other media platforms, I was disturbed. And I took my time to come on the ground to check if truly my people are leaving their homes. And here I am with the LC1 and the community. No one has left his or her home. We are all here and peaceful, and people are continuing to live normally without any problem. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much, all the viewers. I am Matthew Ball, District Councillor for Lapano. The information that is circulating on the social media is false. It is not true. It is fabricated. It is done with malicious intentions. And those who are circulating those information, even they are not at home. We invited them to come for a meeting and get the right information. They are not here. Those who are circulating wrong information must stop it with immediate effect. Even they have gone ahead to say UPDF want to kill people here. UPDF are intimidating people. That is not true. We are here, we are peaceful, there's no problem completely. We are doing community mobilization meeting with the NFA, with the committee, and this is the 6th meeting. We are doing it peacefully, there's no problem. Man that I look actually, look, but what we yamane look over. Would you tell wrong information? Be you pay all information, the can you make anything here, no phone calls. Mag me information are clear. One day take a toy chawan. One Kira Alexander, the Pirate community. Ginu marriage pay, Kaunu Twalo lock. Me a cham here, Chamu you mod. Paula King Jalapono. A chiru and then my stop. I
want all to stand with my colleagues here, Paul Matthew and Alexander Okidi. This is Maurice Ochana, Assistant RDC Agago. I want really to demystify those statements made by some of these people who are not even in Agago. They are in either, some people are in Kampala, others are in Jinja. I don't want them to disturb and to destabilize our people here who are so peaceful and they are not being disturbed by any other person. Please, I'm making this one as a serious warning to each and every person that don't misuse the media. Don't misuse this center so that you should have to tell lies to other people, to outside world, to get wrong information what is taking place here. We know very well that the government has a plan to protect the people, protect the lives of the people and the properties. Even the government is supposed to protect also our environment. So nobody should have to destabilize our peace. Eni ni ameru wachone ke duan ma tek, duan ma giki, ne lo tua matika winyu lokwa ko bedini. Ni ngati mo iteka to, ngati mo ikulu duang ma tika yelo, ni kono en SFP tika riamo dano, tika evicting dano, loko gopa. Achi ngati meru loko da, ubin, eri cha bich ma wano tika chero, ikom kwa kununi eno bin me wat kedwa, wek muna get a water speed and to correct all loperium abo. Ada biru ngoko no ben pia 1 kilometer. So any tin one